feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
A grinding noise while starting your car typically indicates an issue with the starter motor or the flywheel. This sound can be caused by a worn-out starter drive gear or damaged flywheel ring gear. Address this issue promptly by consulting a mechanic to prevent further damage to your vehicle's starting system.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.